Hello friend, today I'm here with another video, and in this video I will show you how to hack Pokemon Go using Android device. If your country in Pokemon Go is banned, so you can't play, but I will give you that hack. It will 100% work in any banned country, which country is in banned. So I'm showing you how to hack Pokemon Go. First you need to open Play Store, then you need to simply download Pokemon Go, and then other app I will tell you about, and you need to search GPS joystick. Here you can see, tap on here GPS joystick, and then here you can see in top of the third line, and tap on here, and you need to download it and install it. So I have already downloaded and installed, so I am going to open this app. It is free from Play Store. You don't need to pay any money for this. Some apps has need to pay money, but this app is free from Play Store. So you need to open it, and this hack work only 6 point and then up. Okay, if you are 5.1, 5.1.1 or 4.1, if there is not work in this hack, because here you need to see enable mock location. You need to enable mock location in 4.5 point. There is no mock location selection here, you can see, and you need to go to developer option, then you need to scroll down, and here you can see select mock location, and you need to tap on here. Okay, then here you need to tap on select mock location fly GPS joystick. Okay, and tap, it will tapping here, and then go to back, and here is go global map come in here. You need to wait until my net is so slow, so this will happening. And if you want to search, can search, and tap on here in search USA. In USA this Pokemon Go is available on there. There is no ban. Wait until it load, and here you can see map has been open it, and then you need to do in USA there is no ban on Pokemon Go, so you need to enter there. I'm searching this, and go, and then you need to do bigger, and you need to go to United Strike. Here you can see, here is United Strike, and then you need to simply zoom it, and then send zone. You need to tap on here where you like to choose, and here I'm giving here and tapping. You need to tap here, and then you need to tap here what about. Okay, tap on about, and tap on here you can see GPS server run and GPS server plus pause. You need to tap on run, and here you can see move location or fix location mode. Fix location will move you. If you tap here, you can move your Pokemon Go in that man, and if you move location, then you can move the location, and tap on move location. And here you can see, here is joystick has been come, here you can see, and then I'm going to open Pokemon Go. And guys, if you are new in my channel, so please like and subscribe us. I will give videos so many for that kind of very information good. I will give real information for this any kind of videos, applications. And this is real, not fake. If you think so, I am going to show you it is real work or not. And here you can see, here is joystick, GPS joystick. It will move in your Pokemon Go game. Okay, and it will load. Wait until it load. and here you need to tap on OK. I have already connect my account, so I don't need to connect. If you are new in here, you can see here is my hack has been properly worked. I'm in Sant USA. I'm from Nepal, but Nepal here in Nepal is banned Pokemon Go. And here you can see here is move location. I'm staying in home, but it will work. Here you can see I'm moving this joystick and it will work. Here you can see. Here you can see I'm moving. It is real hack. I'm not showing you fake. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe us.